Hello guys, Ivan KB is here and welcome to Shark Numbers. The corporate world has experienced a significant shift toward remote work, particularly during the pandemic and shortly after the pandemic. We all know that nearly 40% of jobs shifted from in office to remote during this period of time. And that's not according to me, it's according to a McKinsey report. So, the shift is inevitable. A lot of corporations permanently shut down their offices and no longer hire people to work in offices. There are a lot of positions that are currently open and people apply for remote positions. It's becoming a new norm. Because of these dynamics, popular platforms such as Upwork take advantages of people who are desperately trying to get a job. Upwork is exploiting the inevitable situation. So you can no longer apply for jobs on Upwork for free. You need a form of credits, points to apply for jobs. And so this ultimately hurts both employers and employees or freelancers, remote workers, I should say. And so while some companies like Upwork are exploiting this situation, others like Braintrust are looking to revolutionize the space. And in today's video, I'm going to review the new upcoming kid on the block, Braintrust. I'm going to review the company that represents a fully decentralized platform that connects freelancers and employees with employers. Upwork's strategy of charging both employers and freelancers is causing the company to lose monthly visitors. And if you go and check Upwork's website traffic, you'll see that it looks like that. So month by month, Upwork is losing its visitors. In contrast, Braintrust is gaining more community support and buzz. In this video, I will review Braintrust and explain what makes it so cool. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Without further ado, let's get rolling. As I already mentioned, Braintrust is fully decentralized. And to understand the tangible benefits of Braintrust over Upwork, let's start with a reminder. As a freelancer on Upwork, you can no longer apply for free. Look at this, buy connects to apply. If you register an account right now, you'll have to pay at least $15 to $20. You can either get a one-time package that is worth 15 bucks, or you can subscribe for $20 per month to apply for jobs. Even though there is no guarantee that you will be hired, you'll just spend money for sure, but whether you'll be hired or not is a big question. And freelancers from countries under restrictions, under sanctions, including Russia, cannot apply for work. And there is always a risk of being banned for no reason. It's a fully centralized platform and it's no longer perfect. Back then, Elance competed with Odesk, so at least there was a form of competition. Then two companies merged and they dictate the rules. Braintrust, on the other hand, is open. It allows freelancers to keep 100% of their earnings, being a decentralized platform. You can work from anywhere in the world. You receive your earnings in Braintrust tokens, which is now featured on Coinbase, Binance, and other top exchanges. You handle your taxes independently, and this approach is beneficial for both freelancers and corporations. Corporations don't have to worry about all this like corporate intricacies, don't have to worry about being sued, they don't have to worry about inclusion, regulations, insurance, and other bureaucratic and politicized parts of the typical hiring process. There is no risk of a lawsuit related to hiring or unemployment issues down the road. So it's beneficial for corporations. They can just quietly hire freelancers for high-tier projects, pay them in crypto, and not worry about potential lawsuits. It's beneficial for freelancers too. They don't have to share anything with the platform owners. So this, my friends, is the future of employment, when there is no third party and you connect directly as a freelancer or as an employee. You connect directly with the hiring party, with the corporation that's hiring. However, remember that not everything is easy on the platform. You will need to pass a vetting process. Yes, I have created an account of my own and I have completed all of the steps. And so it was pretty straightforward, but it was a little bit challenging because I had to create a professional looking resume. Everything on my resume was verified by Braintrust. I also had to submit my video responses to certain questions. Braintrust calls this process vetting, and I love the concept of vetting. It allows Braintrust to look appealing in the eyes of employers who don't want to waste time on unqualified candidates. Shortly after signing up on the platform, you'll need to provide Braintrust with information about yourself, include details about your work experience, and if everything is okay, 3 days later, around 3 days, I think it took me about 5 business days. In any case, a few days later, your account will be verified. And once it's verified, you receive 3 complimentary tokens from Braintrust as a reward, and you will also have access to this job board. And I applied for several jobs just to see what this process looks like. It's pretty straightforward. Let's say I'm going to show you what it looks like. You can view the job, and if you think you are qualified, you can click on apply. It's 100% free. You can apply for as many jobs as you want. Remember, you are considered a top tier freelancer by Braintrust. You are already featured on the platform, which is a key benefit. You'll be receiving offers from the top brands if you're approved, if your profile is approved on the platform. Obviously, you can apply for as many jobs as you want because you're already considered qualified. You will have to answer within each application. There is a short quiz, a short application that you need to fill out. For example, are you okay with the posted pay rate? Yes. Do you meet the location requirements for the job? You must be located in Europe. Well, I don't meet the requirements, so let me see. What if I choose? Let me see. I clicked on no. Well, most likely my application will be rejected, but in any case, let's see. Do you meet the time zone requirements? Let's say I can work at night. So yeah, I meet time zone requirements. When are you available to start? Right away. Yes, yes, yes. Well, I would not recommend providing a potential employer with short answers like I did, but I'm only doing it for the purposes of this tutorial, just to show you what this process looks like, how easy it is. So it's a pretty solid platform, and this, my friends, is the future of employment. A decentralized platform that connects employers with employees directly. Platforms like this give more power to freelancers, qualified individuals, people with skills who may be struggling finding a qualified job due to their place of residence or other reasons. I also like how powerful the community is. You can get connected with people who get referred by you. You can get connected and meet people within different communities. If you join Braintrust by using my referral link, we'll be able to stay in touch. I will know who you are. I will see your name. Maybe I can help you with the job. Maybe I can refer you to someone, or maybe we can work on a project together. Who knows? All I'm saying is everyone gets connected, and if you want to get connected to me on Braintrust, I'll be happy to stay in touch. You can use my referral link in the description. I will keep testing this platform. I will get back to you with my feedback, but so far so good. And before I go, I want to quickly show you how quickly this website is growing. This is the organic traffic. Just take a look at this chart. The traffic is growing by at least 20 to 40% every month, whereas Upwork's traffic is decreasing on a month-to-month basis. If you used Braintrust in the past and I forgot to mention something, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you soon. Ivan KV out.